Welcome to this video on alternating current and direct current, the foundations of modern power. We'll explore the differences between AC and DC power and how they shape our everyday lives. Alternating current, or AC, moves like the tide, constantly reversing its direction. This reversal creates a wave cycle, typically completing 50 full cycles every second, which is known as 50 Hz. AC supply scales to the need with two main types. Single-phase supply delivers 220 volts for standard residential homes. Three-phase supply delivers 440 volts and runs large machinery and heavy industrial motors. Transformers are key to pushing AC across vast distances. They step voltage up to extreme levels for long-distance transmission, then step it down again to 220 or 440 volts before reaching consumers. Direct current, or DC, flows in a straight line. DC flows continuously and steadily in a single direction, meaning the waveform never reverses and has a zero frequency. DC power generates from sources like batteries and solar panels. It unlocks energy storage and portability because batteries can store DC power. DC operates most electronic items, such as smartphones and laptops. High-voltage DC is highly dangerous due to its continuous flow. Unlike AC, which crosses a zero point offering a brief chance to pull away, DC has no zero crossing point. This can cause muscles to clamp down, making release impossible. Here is a summary of the core differences. AC has a reversing waveform and 50 Hz frequency, cannot be easily stored, and is the primary source for power grids. DC has a straight-line waveform and zero frequency, can be stored in batteries, and comes from solar and batteries. DC also has a higher lethal threshold above 50 volts. Power electronics bridge the divide. Engineers use power converters and inverter technology to change DC power into AC power for household appliances and AC into DC for charging batteries and running electronics.